Real estate. You like real estate? Would you be buying right now?
Hell yeah.
Where would you be buying?
In the Bronx.
You think you get some good deals out there?
You get good deals wherever you know good deals are at.
You in it?
Am I in it? Of course I'm in real estate.
Would you keep buying right now?
Yeah, in Detroit.
In Detroit?
Yeah.
Population's going down. What do you think about that?
No, but the property is going down. Property value going down too. So if you buy it now, maybe 5 or 10 years, it's gonna go up.
You think it's going to come back?
I don't think. I know.
You know it's going back up in Detroit.
Of course it's coming back up.
Well, what advice would you give to somebody starting out right now?
Create a corporation, take classes, and OPM, use other people's money.
Look at this guy. Hey, thank you so much. Have a good night.
Respect.
Excuse me, do you folks think real estate's a good investment?
Yes.
Would you be buying right now? I could come in your picture with you if you want.
Certainly not in New York.
Not in New York, too
No,
expensive.
pretty
Where would you be
much.
buying?
Where would I buy real estate?
In
Probably
Australia, where we
Australia.
live.
Yeah.
And what would you recommend to like a young couple just starting out?
Okay. I would probably try more so the suburbs than have expectations of living downtown.
A little, maybe something more affordable, but get into real estate and buy something.
Yeah, that's exactly right.
Good long-term investment.
Yes, yes, indeed.
Do you think the real estate market's going to crash, or would you be buying right now?
We're looking at buying.
Where are you looking to buy?
We're actually from Vancouver, so there.
So in Vancouver, you're looking for something to move into.
Yeah, and then we'll rent out the current place.
So you already own?
Yeah.
Would you recommend that to anybody starting? Keep what you have and rent it out and buy something else?
Yeah, but not too many people, or it will be 2008 all over again.
Ah, okay. So don't tell everybody,
Yeah,
but you're
tell
doing
some people.
You're doing it because you want to build wealth.
Wait until after we've bought, then tell everyone.
Deal. Okay, so you think it's a good long-term investment. You're going to build wealth over the long run.
I mean, in the long term, more people, fixed amount of land. Can't lose long term, but there'll always be blips.
What are you thinking about real estate? Are you in the follow the channel, or where do you know me from?
I follow the channel, I'm on your program. I'll be in Miami.
Oh, you'll be in Miami. What's up, love? Look at that. 10X Growth Conference coming up, the pregame.
Real estate is good.
Where would you be buying if you were to buy?
If I want to buy the real estate, I could buy in Florida.
Florida?
What?
You wouldn't buy here in New York?
Hell no. Be honest with you, all due respect, I don't want to say that bad word,
Yeah.
but all due respect, buying a real estate in New York City is like you invest money in this government that won't care about you.
Would you buy in Tokyo right now? No. Is it too pricey?
He's a professional investor.
Really? Okay. Too expensive, or why would you not buy in Tokyo?
Too expensive.
I'm a real estate broker. I sell houses.
It's like a pretty big camera.
Yeah. So would you buy stocks right now? U.S. stocks or Tokyo stocks?
No. Everything expensive, right?
Too expensive, so buy gold.
Gold?
What would you buy? Would you buy gold, or what are you buying?
Oh, gold's so expensive.
It's also expensive. What are you buying? Bitcoin?
No. Gold is the best choice.
It's the best choice. You think gold's the best choice? Okay. What about you? Where are you
Why?
putting your extra money?
Extra money. Cash.
Cash.
Giving cash. Prepare for
Dollars or is it yen?
It's dollar.
You'd buy dollars.
Dollars, yeah.
Buy dollars.
Real estate's where the real money's at, so, you know. If you're not getting real estate, you're just going to be broke for the rest of your life, pretty much.
Throw your money into real estate, keep buying, buy and hold. These are all things you agree with?
And of course, get income from it.
Where would you start if you were, just getting started, you needed to buy a place? Where would you go? I mean, New York's pretty expensive.
I'd probably start in New Jersey.
Go to somewhere cheaper.
Go to somewhere cheaper, yeah.
But definitely buy.
Definitely buy.
Excuse me, would you folks be buying real estate right now?
No.
You think the market's gonna crash?
Probably.
Where are y'all from?
Australia.
You think the market's gonna crash in Australia?
There's a very good chance with the way things are looking.
Political or just global economy?
I think global economy more than anything.
So stay tuned, wait on the sidelines before buying.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Greece.
From Greece, would you be buying real estate in Greece? Houses, would you buy houses?
Yes, but they are expensive, but not as yours.
So would you buy houses to rent them out? Is it a good investment in Greece?
Yes, it is.
It is.
Yes.
Good. Buy them.
We had a crisis, but now it's better.
It's better now, so
Yeah.
buy real estate.
Yeah.
How are you eating ice cream right now?
That's delicious. Would you buy in India?
Yeah, we have a house in India. So.
You think rental property or real estate is a good investment?
In India?
Yeah.
Yeah, right
Interest
now.
rates good?
Yes.
Do you think the market's gonna crash?
In India, not really. Depends on the elections. Elections are this year, so we're gonna wait and see.
You're gonna wait and see and then maybe buy some more.
Yeah.
Hopefully.
Probably, yes.
Good for you, thank you. Is it a good time to buy? Low interest rates?
Yeah.
Yes.
It's better to buy in Spain, I believe.
Ah, would you buy in Spain and rent it out, or would you move to Spain?
We would buy it and rent it out for the time being.
You think that's a good long-term investment?
It is, yes.
You're gonna be buying in the next 6 months?
In the next couple of years, I would say.
What's stopping you from buying sooner?
Because we're traveling a lot, so we don't know if we're gonna be able to do it. It's a big investment.
All right, what do you love about real estate?
Everything. I like the financial aspect. I like how the money turn in real estate.
You could go to a bank and put a little bit of money down and control a lot of money.
Yeah, shit like that.
Excuse me, sir, is it a good time to buy real estate right now?
Sure.
Excuse me, would you be buying real estate right now, or do you think it's too expensive to buy?
We're from Holland.
Would you buy in the Netherlands, in Holland?
Yeah, I did already.
You already did. Would you buy more, or would you buy properties
No,
as
I don't
rentals?
have money.
When you move, would you keep your house, or would you sell it and buy something else and keep it and rent it?
No, I would sell it.
Why wouldn't you keep it as a rental?
I don't have that much money.
Oh, for another down payment.
Yeah.
If you had the money, would you consider doing it?
I don't know. I don't know the benefits, so.
Do you think real estate overall goes up in value? You think it's a good investment?
Yeah.
You might consider looking into it and keep your real estate. Maybe. Hold it forever. Yeah. And one day you'll call me and say thank you. Okay. Thanks. I met my wife in Paris.
Okay.
Beautiful.
My wife too.
Really? Hey! Have a good night.
Thank you.
Hey! Oh. Do you like real estate? Is real estate a good investment? Because this ice cream cone wasn't. Sorry. I had an accident. My ice cream fell. Could I give this to you? It fell. It fell on the floor, man. It was. I got the rest of the cone here, but I wanted to clean up. Would you buy in the United Kingdom right now?
I've just bought a new house now.
Congratulations. Would you buy more? Would you recommend people keep buying?
No.
Is it too expensive now?
It's gone expensive, yeah. It's like everything else, isn't it?
Do you think real estate's usually a good investment?
Yeah.
If you had to move, would you keep your house or would you sell it?
Sell.
You'd sell. Would you ever consider keeping it as a rental there?
No.
No. Is it just too many problems with tenants or what's...
Yeah, too many problems with tenants. You get bad tenants in.
Yeah. Bad tenants and too much of a headache.
Yeah.
All right. Have a good night.
All right.
So you think the market's going to crash or what's stopping you? Where are y'all from?
From Spain.
From Spain. I just had somebody tell me they wanted to buy in Spain. They think it's a good time. What do you think?
No, it's very expensive.
So the first one is, what would you tell a skeptical girlfriend about real estate investing, and that the earlier the start, the better?
Hey, that's you.
Pretty much, yeah.
What are you living in now? Are you living in a studio, one bedroom? What are you living in?
We're both living with our parents right now.
Okay, well, I understand you being skeptical because, I mean, you're going from having no payment to having an obligation.
Yeah.
Well, okay, would you consider ever having roommates?
Only with my boyfriend, and that's about it.
Gotcha. Okay, so here's what I would do if I were in your situation. I mean, at some point, you both want to probably move in together and move out of your parents' places, right?
Correct. But the whole thing of buying a home to then rent it out to people kind of scares me a little bit.
Ah, so it's the rental part that's scaring you. Okay, gotcha. I would look in the areas that you're interested in looking for the smallest possible bungalow you can get, with the idea that in the future you'd move from it.
Okay.
But start with controlling something. Let's forget about tenants for a moment. So let's maybe forget about duplexes. Let's just forget about all that stuff. What do 2-bedroom or 1-bath houses go for in the area you want to live with?
Okay.
Now you don't have to worry about tenants. You're not going to worry about, don't even think about tenants for right now. Just think about you both moving in together and having a small little bungalow.
Okay.
Don't get something that needs a lot of work, but maybe get something that needs like paint and carpet.
Okay.
So you call Home Depot or whatever you got around here, put some new carpet in, and maybe you both paint it together yourselves. And your goal is going to be, first of all, look what rents are. And let's say rents or payments or whatever for both of you would be somewhere around $2,500 a month. See if you could buy something in that range. Now, in terms of down payment, I would call a local community development organization to see if I could get any kind of down payment assistance, first-time buyer assistance. I was just talking to somebody that was looking into buying, it's off camera, they were looking into buying, say, it's like a $375,000 house somewhere.
Wow.
Small house, doesn't have to be a big square footage. You're just starting out with this, and you want to get your feet wet in it. And their payment with 3% down mortgage insurance was going to be somewhere plus or minus $2,000 to $2,400 a month. They thought that in their situation together, that would be a reasonable payment. They'd probably be paying that in rent as well. Then they'd move into that property and they treat it almost as if they were tenants. You're going to get it inspected. Make sure you circle yourself with really good, professionals, people that are going to inspect the property well for you. Big ticket items, electrical, plumbing, foundation, roof. And you're going to get in, do your cosmetics, and just breathe for a few years. Don't worry about tenants. If tenants is the problem, just don't worry about that. Instead, what you're going to do is every month, and you pay that $2,400 off, you're gonna look at that statement, you're gonna go, wow, I'm paying this loan off by $300, $400 every single month. And you're gonna see that number grow. And then you're gonna see the market evolve over time. You don't even really care if prices fall because you gotta live somewhere.
Yeah.
And if prices go up, then you look and you
Okay.
cheer.
Okay.
And if they don't, or things stay the same, you look at your statement and you go, oh, this is what I'm paying off every month. So that's what I would do. Hi, everyone. Is real estate good around here? You like real estate? Would you be buying real estate right now in Jersey and Brooklyn? Would you be buying right now?
Yes.
Yes, absolutely. All of you agree?
We need money. We need money.
We need money, so you're out here hustling. You're working.
Yes.